Good day guys, you are welcome to this video. In today's video I will be sharing with you the fastest and easiest strategy to make sales in affiliate marketing. So this video will be centered on generating quality lead and paying customers. How to generate quality lead and customers that can patronize your business. Okay, so we will be taking what we will be taking first is advert through influencer. Okay, so let's take this. Many times you have seen videos that maybe in the middle or at the end of the video you see the content creator, the creator of the video saying this person, you show the picture of the person is an affiliate marketer. He has made so much amount of money. He mentioned a kind of 1,500,000, that this kind of is an affiliate marketer or she's an affiliate marketer. You have made so much amount of money, and if you want to join the business, you should message the number showing on the screen that is in that video, or you should click on a link attached to the video. So that is the process that you can generate lead through influencer. You can pay them to do this for you. You can pay them to attach your flyer to the video or advertise for you. And where this thing can be done is actually on Facebook content creator can do this, also on TikTok, and the third one, which is B, is WhatsApp influencer. Some WhatsApp influencer who have a multiple followers or views on their status. You can also pay them. They can advertise for you on their status or maybe in their group. Many people do have like 1,000 views on their status. You can pay these people. You can also post your flyer and advertise for you in their status, and you can generate lead from this. Especially where this is effective is from the video content, especially on Facebook and TikTok. You can pay all these content creator. They can, while in the video, they can show your flyer or your picture. They will advertise for you, that people will join you. And the most effective about the most thing that is effective is that most content creator, they have fans that believe in them, that once ever they see something, many will take actions. So in this way of doing advert through influencer, that is content creator, it's really help in generating a lead, a quality lead that can patronize your product. Because someone that is not actually have the money, or don't that is not interested in your product that you have advertised through them, will not try to message you. It's those fans that have the money and are interested that will come to your DM, that can follow the process, maybe to click on the link that might be attached to that video that the content creator might have created, or you have given the number you have given the content creator to attach to those videos. Okay, the next one we'll be discussing is a Facebook and Instagram ad. Okay, this is also another way to generate a quality lead. Like let's scroll down. You can see this is a sponsored post. You can see it from up here. It's a sponsored post. That means it is an advert. So you can see it is having 57k likes and 2,000 comments and 1,000 shares, 1.5k shares, that is 1,500 shares, and 2,200k comments. You can see this is a good advert. It is converting. So let's assume you run an advert that have this kind of conversion. That is surely you are making your money. Might have, let's assume that 1,000 people, let me say 1,000 people reach to you. I know it will be above this, but let me use 1,000 people out of this ad now showed interest to click on this shop now button. So maybe they reach to you, you are sure that you can make up to let me say 100 sales. Out of that 1000 can make up to 100 sales, and making up to 100 sales depending on the price of your product, you know how much it will be. So that is it. And if you cannot run advert, you can hire. There are experts in Facebook and Instagram ad. You can hire them, you can pay them some amount of money. They can also do it for you. They can run adverts for you, advert that can convert, not you running advert that cannot later reach to people, or people will not even engage or react to it. So if you don't know how to run adverts, you can pay any ad expert to help you do that. And also, if you know and you are expert, you can also do that too. And the next thing to do when you do this advert through influencer, or through Instagram and Facebook ad, what you should do is to also host a WhatsApp class or a webinar, because this WhatsApp class, it's like sending them together to share the value with them. So, and this also will create a trust and clue about the product you are selling, and will also make many people to buy it, especially when people get to buy it, you will be pasting some of the receipts. It will invoke others, it will motivate others to also patronize the product, to buy the product from you. And the next one, you should also take into consideration the next factor that will make you to sell your product easily and fast is picking a product that you can easily sell. What do I mean? A product that you know about. You cannot know, let me say, about graphic designer, and now you went to pick a product under coding. Do you get? So you must pick a product under your niche. That is, have a niche and sell products in your niche. This niche, once you have a niche, it is believed that you know something about the niche you are. Maybe it's about wealth. You can pick a product about how to create wealth, because you pay more attention to that, and also sell a product under it. Cannot be your niche cannot be about wealth, and at times you go to sell products under relationship or health, because these are niches in affiliate marketing. So sell products in your niche, the product you know about, that you can also explain to prospects, to a customer. When customer comes to you, you can tell the customer more about the product and also convince the person. Then the B part of the number 3 is, that is, I have said that no product you have knowledge about, that you can also explain, and you can give detail to any of your customer who come to make inquiry about it, that you can say more about it. Okay. And the number C about it is the price you can easily sell out. So many affiliate marketers, let me say, yeah. So what they do is that they pick a product that the price they cannot even, they are like, sometimes they have emotion saying such price to a customer. Once the customer says how much is the thing, they feel like, can I say this price? You just need to pick a product that you can easily sell out. You know that those people you are reaching to, they can buy this product. Not like you want to pick a product of let me say 100k as a beginner in affiliate marketing. That will be hard for you to sell out. You can start from can start like 5k to 10k products. You can sell that out easily. Alright. Then the D part of it is a product your profile can easily tell about. Alright, this is a kind of, maybe in your profile, uh, your profile is telling about, let me say, health, health, or something like, let me say, in your profile you included like graphic design, and when maybe a customer comes to your profile, the person will see graphic design, but what you are selling is different from that. It's like there will not be much be interested. They will feel like, you it's like this person don't, what the person is doing, that is sell every product that just come around. But just build your profile based on your niche, and build your profile that everybody that sees it, we know that you are responsible. There is a kind of the way you will set your profile. Every prospect or client that come through it must believe in you, must trust in you, that you are not a scammer. So that is it. And please subscribe to this channel, so that, and turn on the bell notification button, so that anytime I drop a valuable content like this, you will be the first to see it. In our next video, I will be sharing with you guys the kind of product to affiliate for as a beginner in affiliate marketing. So with this, I think you are clear about the fastest and easiest strategy to make sales in affiliate marketing. I said number one is advert through influencer, that is content creator on social medias and WhatsApp influencers, and two is through Facebook ad and Instagram ad. And three, I said, is you picking a product that you can easily sell, to your audience, that can easily explain, that you are knowledge about. Alright. And also, I made mention of hosting a WhatsApp class or a webinar whenever you have a large audience coming to patronize your business. It creates trust and clue about the product. So please subscribe to this channel. I will be dropping more videos, more valuable videos on affiliate marketing. Thank you for watching. Subscribe.